All right, today I'm going to show you how to add wash booster to your washing machine to wash clothes. Now, what a wash booster does, it actually boosts the washing performance of the washing machine, okay, when it's washing your clothes. It gives it a nice scent to it. Right here it says in-wash scent booster, okay? So it says deodorization and long-lasting freshness for this particular brand. Now, there's a lot of brands out there, but they essentially have the same function. And I'm going to go through it with you on this. All right, so let's get started. Welcome to DIY Pinto. We're going to show you how to add this wash booster. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have some clothes to wash. And you can see I have this ready. And you're going to have detergent, softeners, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and add my detergent first to the washer machine. I'm gonna add the detergent to the drawer. All right, so I'm gonna add my detergent to the drawer. If you want to add fabric softener to the fabric softener compartment, that's your prerogative. Bobby Brown. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the detergent back on, and then I'm going to grab the Fresh Clean Sensations right here. And if you read on the back right here, it shows you. It says fill. Let me get in closer so we can read this together as a family. All right, so it says right here, it says fill to the cap line and pour into your washer before your clothes and sensationally fresh laundry experience. So it's going to give you that for a sensationally, they playing with the wordplay, fresh laundry experience. Do not pour into liquid dispenser and do not pour into the dryer. Safe for colors, washable fabrics, and load types. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up this, and right here it shows you there's a line that goes all around it. It says fill to that line. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to fill to that line. Go ahead and put these inside of that. All right, so I filled into the line, kind of, sort of. All right, so filled to the line, and then I'm going to put it in there. See it? It's sitting inside of the drum. You want to put it in the drum before adding clothes, okay? So once I've added that, I'm going to take the clothes, I'm going to go ahead and put it in side of the washer, then shut the door, and then come up here and then make the selection that you want to make for washing that particular load. For this particular load, I'm going to use hot. You may use a different temperature, but these are the selections for the type of clothing that I'm using. Have the extra rinse, high, soil level normal, and start. Oh, what happened? Oh, gotta shut the door. You have to shut the door and then start. All right, and so that is how you add wash booster to a washing machine to wash clothes for a clean smelling scent booster. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and watching.